Entropy is not the deepest law of the universe. Stop saying entropy means everything falls apart. That's only half the truth. Entropy is real, but it's not the deepest rule of the universe. Because entropy only tells you what happens inside a closed system. And the universe is packed with systems that are not closed: cells, stars, brains, ecosystems, even civilizations. So here's the upgrade: something better than entropy, but not entropy. The law of coherence drift in physics terms. Every system is pulled by two forces: entropy production, energy spreads, randomness increases coherence formation, patterns lock in, structure stabilizes. Coherence isn't philosophy. It's measurable. A laser is coherence. A heartbeat is coherence. A spiral galaxy is coherence. And here's the core claim: order doesn't defeat entropy. It survives by exporting entropy. A cell stays alive by dumping heat. A star stays stable by radiating energy. A brain stays functional by burning glucose and pushing waste out. So the deeper law isn't everything decays. The deeper law is systems persist when they maximize coherence per unit entropy exported. Now let's make it PhD level. Define a quantity. Coherence efficiency eta CSC, where C equals coherence, pattern stability, slash synchronization, slash compressibility. S equals entropy production rate, how much disorder you dump into the environment. This predicts something entropy alone cannot. Over time, the universe doesn't just randomize. It selects for coherence islands. Structures that can hold shape, resist noise, self-correct, and offload chaos outward. Those structures survive longer. That's why you get atoms, molecules, cells, nervous systems, minds, societies, not because entropy failed, but because coherence is what entropy creates room for when energy flows. And now the weird part. This is where physics and metaphysics unexpectedly touch. Because Ibnay Araabi argued reality isn't dead matter. It's a continuous unfolding of form, meaning, and structure. So entropy describes the fading, but coherence describes emergence. And in the language of faith, you could say entropy is the shadow of time, but coherence is the signature of how Allah allows patterns to rise again and again, even inside a universe that should fall apart. So yes, entropy is true, but coherence drift is deeper. Entropy is the cost. Coherence is the strategy.